Hello, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to invite a client or a patient to RemoteScreen to be able to share their assessments virtually with you. With that being said, obviously you need to have an unlimited subscription account to Posture Screen or Lean Screen or Squat Screen, whichever your base application is. And just remember that any of those applications can be unlocked to have all the assessments within them. With that being said, you need to be subscribed to the Unlimited Assessments subscription, as well as the Cloud Sync Screen. So if you have those two subscriptions, you're ready to go. So if you've already connected your device to Sync Screen and you want to invite a client that is not established yet with you in Posture Screen, Lean Screen, Squat Screen, if you don't see them in this client list, all you got to do is come here, and then you're going to go ahead and click Remote Screen. Then from Remote Screen, if you're in a chat session or chat log with them, if you're on your iPhone, you could just highlight this and copy that to the clipboard and paste it into the text message, or simply click Send Remote Screen Invite. And then up here, just simply type in their email address and then hit send. That's easy when they are already or they're a potential client. So you could make, say, marketing drives in your clinic or your franchise or your gym and give out your remote screen code. Pre-install it on existing clients so they could be like a posture paparazzi or a body comp paparazzi out there taking pictures of friends and family members, or even do movement assessments. With that being said, if they're established, then all you do is go into their client view, drill down into the client view, and you'll see a button right here. It says Send Remote Screen Invite. By doing it this way, you can see it automatically puts in their email address. It gives them a link of where to download it from the App Store for Remote Screen and or the Google Play Store. You can have it on either platform. And then here is the code that they're going to copy and paste into their sync screen. Okay, it populates your code, and then you just hit send. That's all you got to do. So to connect your remote screen to your application for remote assessments is easy as that. If you have any additional questions, reach out to us at support@posturescreen.com. Thank you.